Improving the speed of service and consistency without sacrificing food quality is the holy grail of food service, but it's not always easy to achieve. One of the most effective methods in reaching this goal has been sous vide cooking. The process of cooking foods wrapped in vacuum-sealed plastic bags by submerging them in water that stays at the desired endpoint temperature of the food. The food reaches the perfect temperature over time and then stays there for as long as you need without drying out, losing nutrients or flavor, or overcooking. When an order comes in, it only takes a few minutes to season, sear, and serve. Easily 4 to 6 times as fast as a traditional cook-to-order process, and harder for a cook to mess it up. Improving the speed of service and consistency without sacrificing food quality. Sous vide works great for smaller restaurants, but is far more challenging for chains, hotels, or institutional food service. If you're serving a lot of customers at once, you probably don't have the room to fit all those immersion cookers that you'd need. Even if you have the room, you'll turn your kitchen into a sauna. C-Vap staging is the solution to this problem. The Winston C-Vap oven surrounds the food with a gentle vapor cloud and heats it up to your desired specific temperature. It has all the same benefits to a traditional sous vide setup, with the capability of doing so much more. Along with the increased volume, CVap staging also allows you to go bagless if you want. Why bagless? Well, those bags certainly aren't cheap. Opening them and disposing of them can be a pain and create a mess at your workstation. Less plastic means being more green. And why add extra steps of vacuum sealing? But if marinating is your thing, CVap's gentle heat can handle the bag. Not only does that take time, it also means that you have to have a far more complicated HACCP plan. Nobody likes an angry health inspector. CVap staging has re-engineered sous vide to meet the needs of every type of restaurant. If you're looking for the quality and speed of sous vide, but don't want to deal with the challenges that come with it, this is the ultimate solution for you. To learn more, visit our website and register today.